Alright, this will be part 2. Same video. I don't want to run them too long because it's too long to download. Keep it 4 or 5 minutes long. Guess what? I hear the siren in Clyde. I hear the siren in Clyde. We're going to turn around here. That's the warning one. That's the warning one. Get out of the truck a minute, look around here. That's the warning signal. There's the tower right there. That's where the sirens are, below that tower. So we're watching. We're watching. Back in town. The wind just changed, going back the opposite direction, which means this has got some rotation. So we're about to get out of here. See how black it is? It's rotating around the circle here. I'm looking at the circle. The rest of these people. We still have no wind yet, no rain, but this whole thing is just circling around. It's not blowing. I got right in the middle of the circle. That's what we don't want to see. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, she's dropping. I'm not saying that.